I got this radical bleach kit. Stuff's about to go down. I'm just gonna put this back actually. Ooh, that smells like death. Ooh, this is blue. I have school tomorrow, so if this turns out bad, well shit. It's so lumpy. I don't know how to feel about that. That looks gross. Buddy, say it's like mixed enough. Okay, so the problem with like filming like this is that I won't be able to like see myself. So if it looks bad, I'm blaming it on that. Okay, so like today, I woke up at like 12 p.m. It's a Thursday. Definitely had school. Definitely like didn't go to part of it. It's been like a rough semester and it just kind of started too. I don't know what any of these tools are for. So like in the future, if anyone knows, like please help. The lady said to do the roots last. I don't understand that statement. How do I like do them last? I'm really digging this brush thing though. It's definitely doing its job. I'd say for somebody who like doesn't know what they're doing, I'm not doing a bad job. I'm just like living, you know? I'm just experiencing life. Because I'm here for a good time, not a long time. The funny thing is this shirt was just chilling on the floor. Like, it's tingling so much that it's almost relaxing. Okay, but this burn is so intense. Okay, so we have the back. Don't know how we're gonna do this. Okay, so the back is literally gonna be just me guessing. I'll show you guys this, and like then I'll like watch it later and judge myself, but I don't know if this is gonna work. I just hope that the kid that sits behind me tomorrow, like whoever they may be, I'm sorry, and don't judge me. I don't know if this is like bad or good. I'm just gonna continue like my method of like brushing up, sticking it a little higher, pushing it down. I'm gonna honestly go in here. So I kid you not, like they said to put a bag over your head. So that's what I'm doing. Woo! Okay, I will show you guys when I come back my hair. Hopefully it's good. My head feels so damaged. I know, I look like a candle. I've never personally seen hair look like this. I really don't know like how it's gonna come out. Like this, for example, it's like this would be that. So like I don't know what this would be. Like I'm kind of scared, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna dye it again. I don't know why I like smell it. I'm so sorry for stealing this book from school, but it has a place now. This is it. What I've been waiting for. It smells really good actually. God on me. Well, time to mix this shit again. This looks relatively clean. It's so strong. Oh, I can't. Like I wish I was kidding. This smells so bad. I say that's like done-ish. Okay. Time to damage my hair for the last time. Okay, this mirror was such a steal because it's one of those mirrors that you could put in your shower and it doesn't get foggy and good. Okay, so why do I have a bag on my head? Well, because it says in the instructions, keep a bag over your head 10 to 15 minutes. It has been approximately 6 minutes. I literally like have waited for so long to do this. The girl at Sally's like wrote me a list of what to do and like bless up, cause honestly, rest in peace my head, like it hurts so bad. I look crazy right now. The last part of my list is to deep condition my hair. And I was like, you know what, face mask, like why not? It is also 1:16 in the morning. I have to take out this conditioner. Okay, so already I noticed that like some parts didn't dye. I'm worried that my hair gonna look a little green, but thankfully it's like part of my hair that like nobody will really see anyway. I will show you guys the finished look. Ugh, okay. This was my first attempt at doing gray hair. I think it worked out like okay, you know? Like I could cut it, but like I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna like I'd rather like go to Great Clips and spend like 14 bucks, you know? Like it did what it was supposed to do, but the problem is like the top is just kind of like Still a little blonde. It's like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but literally it's pink and it's like throbbing. I'm fine, we're fine, it's fine. I like it, like, I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys just liked me doing whatever. You know, this is just like, why not? Hey guys, so it's actually been like a couple weeks since I dyed my hair, but I just got like finished with editing it. So I'm just posting it now, but it's like been a while since like I did it, and like it's actually like, you can see it's like grown out a little bit, but I really like it. Like, it's been a very nice hairstyle to have. I like being unique, you know, it's fun. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and like let me know how you feel in the comment section down below. See ya.